whatever you're doing right now, you need to stop and get on it really quick, guys. You are going to miss generational wealth. If you guys have been following me on X, I told you guys to get in this play. If you're not following me on X, I don't know what you're doing. If you're following me on TG, I also mentioned the coin there as well. Guys, we are looking at generational wealth. A couple hours ago, Trump tweeted, if you were following his social media accounts here on X and also on Truth Social, that he had made a Trump coin that launched in Solana. But the biggest question is, how do you buy it? Right? How do you buy it? How do you buy it if you can't? You're like looking where to buy, because so many exchanges are listing the coin right now, and you're probably stuck waiting for them to actually list it, right? So how do you go about buying the coin? Well, guys, I've been telling you guys here, these exchanges are listing it. You're going to want to make sure you get bullx right now. Link is down below. Get on bullx, and you will be able to get the coin before it even gets to an exchange. So if you're like waiting here in the US and you're like, man, I'm waiting for Coinbase to list it, but I want to get into it before it actually gets listed, now's the time to do it. If you're waiting for crypto.com to actually list a Qcoin, whoever you're waiting for, you could just go ahead, download bullx. Link is down below. Use that link. It'll get you in here, and all you got to do is put in some Solana into your wallet, which I have a lot of videos teaching you guys how to do that. Super easy. Buy Solana either on Coinbase, crypto.com, Binance, where we do. Transfer it over to your bullx wallet, and I'm going to leave the CA down below so you guys can just make sure that's the official CA. You'll be able to confirm the CA by going to the real Donald Trump right here on X, and you will see that this CA right here, that's right here on the screen, is going to be the same one I'm going to be posting down below. Just copy that. Or you know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to leave a link straight to bullx, so you just click on bullx and it'll automatically take you to the coin as well. But you could always confirm the CA if you want to. And once you're there, all you simply have to do, guys, is once you have Solana in your wallet, go to the buy section. Make sure you guys check your slippage, because you want to make sure you're not buying too much. You're not spending too much on the slippage, and you're gonna want to make sure you buy whatever amount you want to buy. Now, the question is, how high can this go? Am I buying too high? Am I buying too low? Listen, guys, this is a once in a lifetime coin. This could go as high as to $1 trillion. It could go as high as 50 billion. It could go as high as 30 billion. Regardless, I personally feel, this is my opinion, not financial advice, okay? So just keep that in mind. You guys, I'm not telling you guys to do this with your money. I'm just what I'm doing, okay? So not financial advice. Anything below 30 to me seems like a pretty good deal, okay? So at least like 2x to 50%, that's still pretty good, right? But right now is the time to get it before it gets listed in all these exchanges and you're buying even like higher and higher. Okay, so just letting you guys know. Remember, this is a long-term hold, so you're gonna want to make sure you hold just a little bit longer than you typically would. So just keep that in mind. This is not like I'm gonna buy it right now and I'm gonna sell tomorrow. This is something that you're gonna want to hold for a little bit longer. Remember, the inauguration is in 2 more days. So I expect this to go like super duper parabolic. The news isn't even talking about this yet. It's only all over, X and every social media. So as you see right here, I've been tweeting about it. If you guys are not following me, I mean, you guys are missing out. So make sure you guys follow. It's been it's just got listed on crypto.com. It got listed right here. Here's a crypto.com, Qcoin, Gate.io, Bybit. So you guys make sure, link is down below to bullx. Jump on it right now. Make some generational wealth. Do not miss out right now. It's sitting at 19 perfect bid right here. Anything below 20, anything below 25. Generally, anything below 30 seems like a very good bet to me. So let me know in the comment section below if you're already in. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody in TG is already in. If you're not, make sure you hop in now. See you guys on the next one, and get sprinting.